It's great to feel and know that you know yourself, that you know what are your flaws, what are your perfections, what do you love, what don't you like, how do you want to react in certain way, how do you react. Basically what I'm saying is being self-aware is great, but do you think the way you perceive things about yourself is how people on the receiving end also perceive? What I mean is, for example, if you think that saying something in certain way do not is not liked by people, and maybe they don't like it and that's why they react the way they react, but what if it makes them feel something else? What if you think that they feel hurt when you talk that way, but what they feel is guilty, and that is why they try to avoid those conversations, not because they're hurt but because they don't want to go into that guilt trip again because of the tone. So yes, you're self-aware that you made them feel bad, but bad how? And that is what you realize only when you meet someone who do things exactly the way you do things. I know it sounds crazy, right? Like I love myself so much. Having a person like me will love that. You will, I'm not denying that. You will love some aspects of them. But when you see their shadow parts, when you see the parts that people complain about you the most, you realize why they do that. You realize why people complain about that part of you so much, because now when you are on the receiving end of the very same thing you do to people, you don't know how to react. Although you have expectations in your mind about people how they should react. Sudden you find yourself in a position where you're like, okay, I've only done this thing in my entire life. Now it is the first time someone is doing this to me. So now what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to react the same way that I expect people to react when I do these things? Or am I supposed to react in a different way that this person might be expecting? Trust me, unless you have actually met someone who is just like you, or at least not even just like you, it's impossible to meet someone just like you, but have so many qualities that you possess about yourself, you are in a big question mark of your life. You also realize, and acceptance comes easy about changing yourself. There are some things that we obviously need to change, and people might be telling us from years, directly, indirectly, by love, by hate, by argument, that please change this. I don't like this about you. Why do you do this? I don't like this about you. But you're like, this is just how I am. And it's nothing is wrong about it. I am sure there's nothing wrong about it unless you have felt the way people feel when you react that way. When you're on the receiving end, you actually realize what that feeling is, and if necessary, that change becomes easier. Second thing, even if you are not to change it, let's say you're very clear about it in your head that you're not going to change it, you love that quality about yourself. So in that case, that realization of feeling the feeling you feel when someone is reacting the way you react about some things, you start loving yourself more. You realize, oh, this is exactly what I do. Oh, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to react, but I love this. This is how I do it. So great for me. It can either make you love yourself a little more, or question your habits, which a lot of people might not like it. And I did not realize how important it is to have such people in your life. But I think the universe or whatever puts those people in your life at some point of your life to make you realize that what kind of person you are. It could be good or bad. I'm not saying that. But the kind of person you are, the universe gives you a mirror to look at yourself and realize that. And I feel it is very important to take notice of that mirror and, like, analyze yourself is what I will say. I'm not saying that like all the habits that they have is exactly the habits you have, but understanding some of them which they actually possess the same habits as you can understand. And I'm also sure that this person might have some habits, the other people in your life also have the same habits that you do, but it goes unnoticeable because of the kind of behavior they show regarding what they want to express. If this is sounding too much, you can ask me in the comments about whatever question you have, and I'm sure I'm going to answer you. But yeah, I feel this realization is very important in your life. And I'm glad I have some people in my life who show me exactly how I am without speaking a word to me and telling me how I am. But guess what? I have started to love myself more after that. I'm not questioning anything.